Holly Robinson pet tearfully comes forward to share sad news of her autistic son. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Rodney Peete and Holly Robinson have had a lot to say over the years about raising their autistic son, and indeed, it has been one hell of a journey for them. Read on to learn about the couple's experience so far. Former NFL star Rodney Peete and his wife, Holly Robinson, are proud parents of 4 children, including their autistic son, Rodney Peete Jr., aka RJ. But while parenthood has been fun for these two, raising RJ has come with some challenges. However, Rodney and Robinson have taken the challenge head-on. What has it been like for them so far? Read on to know this and more, including some of the couple's best quotes about being parents to their son. Though Robinson and Rodney both had a hard time coming to terms with their son's diagnosis, for the NFL star, it was a big blow. In April 2010, Rodney opened up about his first reaction to RJ's diagnosis, admitting that he went into denial because of his expectations as a man and a father. The NFL star said, "I was in denial about what he had, what the doctor was telling us. It was a dark time for us." Later that month, Rodney also explained that he always looked at life competitively, trying to control and fix problems he stumbled upon. Rodney described RJ's diagnosis as the most challenging thing he had to experience, but added that he learned one thing: some things cannot be fixed. He said, "I could not just fix autism. When I finally accepted that, that is when I became a better father." For Rodney and his wife, learning that RJ would not be like most kids was difficult, but accepting it as their reality was even harder. Eventually, embracing their reality was all the couple needed to move forward. In doing so, not only did they learn how to accept their son, but they also realized life was not as bad as they thought. Rodney once said, "There is light at the end of the tunnel. There is hope." Expertly, Robinson and Rodney had their lives changed forever after learning that their son was on the autism spectrum. A few years ago, Robinson opened up about what it was like being a parent to an autistic child. She admitted that it brought their family together and said, "The autism dropped us to our knees in a way that made us very real and connected to a community that we did not know that we would be connected with." When RJ was first diagnosed, doctors told Rodney and Robinson that their son would neither be able to attend a regular school, speak or say "I love you." That proved to be untrue. Not only did RJ attend a mainstream school, but he also learned to play the piano. Most importantly, he tells his parents, "I love you." But none of this would have been possible without Rodney and Robinson's commitment to giving RJ the best life and surrounding him with plenty of love. Today, over 2 decades after RJ's diagnosis, he leads a pretty normal life. He made it through middle school, has a job as a clubhouse attendant for the Los Angeles Dodgers, and has a whole circle of friends. During a 2010 interview, Rodney shared some more parenting tips for those that have kids with special needs. The NFL star noted, "Oh, you have to educate yourself on how to communicate with your child and understand that this is all about his world and his goals, not yours." Despite their initial fears, Robinson and Rodney have undoubtedly done an amazing job with RJ. For these two, family is everything, and parenthood remains the best thing to ever happen to them. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.